So I saw this very interesting article on Twitter. So this company is called Shift, and the parent company is called Micro AGI. But what this company does is it wants to collect data to train robots to do physical work in the future. And the way they do it is by recording the physical work. And one of the services they have started is that they'll come to your house, clean the house, and the person from the company will wear a recording device on like the hat, and it will record everything, all the steps it has done. They and you don't have to pay them anything. The cost itself is just the recording, so they are allowed to record what they do in your house on the cleaning tasks, and then they take this data and feed it into like the future robots data on which the robots will be trained on. And so this is their post on Twitter. So they record the cleaning, and robotics is being built on data about how people do daily tasks, and the value of the recording is what funds the service. So that, I mean, this is a interesting way to look at things. I didn't think of this before. So machine learning and AI needs data, and to physically train the data they need to learn on video recordings. So this actually makes sense. And then I went on their website, and this is their website. It's called Shift, and said they are trying to do this in hospitality business. So like if you're eating food or you are being served food like as a waiter, so that the waiter will wear the recording device and it will capture all the tasks. Same thing in warehousing, manufacturing, construction, and this is like facilities like cleaning windows and agriculture. For everything they'll record this data and capture all the data and train their robots on this. And the Shift is I think a sub company under this main German company. It's called Micro AGI, and they primarily, I think, as far as I can tell from the articles on their website, it's based on robotics, global robotics research, and all these articles are on it. They're also trying to create a new kind of neural network, which is machine learning, to train robotics. So I found this news very interesting and a new way of look at things. So just wanted to share this interesting news that I found.